What if I told you there's a way out? A way to escape the struggle, the paycheck-to-paycheck life, the feeling that no matter how hard you work, you'll never get ahead. What if I told you that even if you only have $5 right now, you could start building real wealth today? This isn't a scam. This isn't gambling. This is the truth about how money really works and how you can make it work for you, even if you've never invested a dime in your life. This video will change your life, if you let it. Investing isn't about being rich already. It's about making the money you have today grow into more money tomorrow. Instead of letting your dollars sit and lose value, you put them where they can multiply, safely, slowly, and surely. Think of it like planting a seed. You don't get a tree overnight, but if you water it consistently, in a few years, you'll have something strong that feeds you. Before we talk about how to win, you need to know how people lose. Scammers prey on the poor because they know you're desperate. Here's what to avoid. Get-rich-quick schemes. If it promises overnight millions, it's a lie. Random crypto gurus. Most are selling dreams, not real strategies. Pyramid schemes. If you have to recruit people to make money, run. High-risk gambles, penny stocks, options, anything that feels like betting. Real wealth is built slow and steady. Now let's talk about how you can do it, starting today. You don't need thousands. Apps like Acorns let you invest spare change. Buy a coffee for $4.50? The app rounds up to $5 and invests the 50 cents for you. Over time, those pennies turn into dollars, then hundreds. Warren Buffett says the best investment for regular people is an index fund, a bundle of stocks that grows over time. Put in $10 a week, and in 20 years, you could have tens of thousands. You're not alone. Find groups where people share knowledge, read free books, watch trusted YouTubers. Knowledge is free, ignorance is expensive. The best investment isn't just stocks, it's you. Learn a skill, fix resumes, do freelancing. Even an extra $100 a month can become your investment seed money. This won't happen in a month, but in 5 years, 10 years, you could be looking at a bank account you never thought possible. The only way to lose is to quit. A person smiling at their phone seeing their portfolio grow. You weren't born to struggle forever. You weren't born to watch others win while you stay stuck. The system wants you to think investing is for the rich, but it's not. It's for the smart. And now, you're one of them. Now go plant your seed. Comment "I'm ready" below, then take step 1 today.